No, it's stuck at the end.
Good morning. There's not one single cloud in the sky. Well, just a few. I'm going for some field work near Selborne, around Selborne. It's 7:22 in the morning. This is amazing. I really do hate motorways. I should have come by bike, but there's a lot of stuff to carry, so I love country roads in England. I really do. Hello, Loomies! This is the spot. No one's here yet. It's 8:15 now. I'm a bit early for a change. So I will try to find some. Look at this. I'll try to find somewhere to eat while I'm waiting for them. This place is amazing. Really cool. Right. Apparently this is the car park. Selborne car park. This is it. So need to wait for the others. Let's try to find some coffee. Something to eat maybe. Not food in the car, but coffee. I don't have coffee in the car. Do I? The end of the town. Okay. Get it. Let's go back. I think I'll get the car. I'll bring it to the car park, wait for them. Maybe the best thing to do. Back to the car park. Couldn't find any coffee though. Okay. Not much going on here. Not yet anyway. Archaeology blogger. Yeah, I am. I'm glad I have these boots now. Ah, I didn't cut that on camera, man.
So this is the, in effect, the eastern edge of the chalk that spreads out through Hampshire and Wiltshire. We're going to be working just up here. When we get to the top, I'll show you some maps and bits and pieces so that you get an idea of where you are. But the hangar is steep woodland, mostly beach, chalk, and then we come down onto the upper green sand, which is the stone that most of the old buildings are built from in the village.
So you on 20? Go. Oh, too careful.
There it goes. Yeah.
I'm going in the back, just waiting for Thomas to go down again. Now I'm recording. Go on, you can go now.
You got last one, didn't you?
Huh?
You got last one on camera?
No.
Yeah or no?
No.
No.
The last one, how many times?
I mean, well,
how many times you fell?
The only one.
No, only one.
Oh, there it goes.
I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it.
You've been in the union.
We all ended up in the pub. So heading home. It's raining. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, all that kind of stuff, you know that.